This artist has changed my mind about pie. You see, I'm not really a big fan of pie. Come closer. Come a little closer. I'm not saying pie is bad. I'm just saying that in the grand scheme of all the desserts and sugar things you can have, pie is not in my top tier list. But, it's just, okay. You know what? Come even closer. Come even closer. It's the crust, honestly. Like, I've never been a fan of a standard pie crust. It just seems kind of dry to me. I don't like the texture. You put a crumble crust on it, and I'm all in. Or a graham cracker crust or something like that. Hell yeah. But it's the crust specifically that has me interested about this artist. This artist that goes by Blair Witch has been making these absolutely stunning looking, gorgeous pies. She's calling them Baroque pies. They have skulls and acanthus leaf scroll work on them, and they are gorgeous. Her artwork is stunning. She hasn't even been doing pies this long. She saw someone else do one with a little bit of acanthus leaf and a skull, and she thought she'd give it a try, and she has really developed those skills. Look at her artwork. It is incredible. This one with a snake is just stunning. She's got some that are just flowers and not just skulls and scroll work, but I have to admit, I'm a sucker for skulls and scroll work. I mean, look at my artwork, right? Like, that's what I live on. You need to go follow her. Go follow the Blair Witch. Check out her work. It has me just salivating. And this is one of the few projects that I look at and I think, I've got to try this. And luckily, she's shared the step-by-step process of how to do it, how to get started easily. She shared everything in a video, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go make a pie with some skulls on it and some acanthus leaf scroll work. This has to happen now. Right after you go, subscribe to her, and then come back here and subscribe to me, because if you don't subscribe to me, you smell bad.